Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter N. N is the 14th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter N in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase N. Start with the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Now make one more line to the bottom. Now you try. Here is a letter N in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase n. Start with the middle and make a line down. Next go back up to the middle and around to the bottom. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter N? N is for nachos. N is for nail. N is for nail paint. N is for nail. N is for nandu. N is for nanny. N is for nap. N is for napkin. N is for narwhal. N is for nasturtium. N is for navel. N is for neck. N is for necklace. N is for necktie. N is for nectarine. N is for needle. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for network. N is for newspaper. N is for nib. N is for nightdress. N is for night. N is for nightingale. N is for nightmare. N is for nine. N is for ninja. N is for noodles. N is for nose. N is for note. N is for notebook. N is for novel. N is for numbat. N is for numbers. N is for none. N is for nurse. N is for nut. N is for Nutella. N is for nutmeg. N is for nuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.